Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of that frantic morning rush, skipping breakfast, and then grabbing something unhealthy on the go? I know the feeling. It's like you're starting your day already behind. But what if I told you that a delicious, healthy breakfast could be the easiest part of your morning? Today, I'm going to change your breakfast game forever. We're diving into 7 incredible, nutrient-packed breakfast ideas that you can literally prep in minutes. No more excuses, no more stress, just simple, tasty, and energizing meals to kickstart your day the right way. So, if you're ready to make your mornings a whole lot easier and healthier, you're in the right place. Let's get cooking. First up, the absolute king of quick breakfasts, overnight oats. If you haven't tried these, you are seriously missing out. The beauty of overnight oats is that you do all the work the night before, which takes, and I'm not exaggerating, about 2 minutes. All you need is a jar or a container with a lid. You'll add half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of your favorite milk. I love almond milk for this, and a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 south. Then it's time to customize. I like to add a little maple syrup for sweetness and a dash of cinnamon. Give it a good shake or stir, pop it in the fridge, and that's it. In the morning, you wake up to a creamy, delicious, and filling breakfast. You can top it with fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a handful of nuts for some crunch. It's a perfectly balanced meal ready the second you are. Next on our list is a supercharged smoothie bowl. This is perfect for those days when you want something really fresh and vibrant. Don't be intimidated by those gorgeous pictures you see online. They are so simple to make. The trick is to use frozen fruit to get that thick, ice cream-like consistency. In your blender, combine 1 frozen banana, a cup of frozen mixed berries, a big handful of spinach. Trust me, you won't taste it, but you'll get all the nutrients and a splash of coconut water or milk, just enough to get it blending. Blend it until it's super smooth and thick. Pour it into a bowl, and now for the fun part, the toppings. I love to add granola for crunch, some coconut flakes, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds for protein. It's like eating dessert for breakfast, but it's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and pure energy. Breakfast number 3 is for my savory food lovers, the speedy scrambled egg mug. Yes, you can make fluffy, delicious scrambled eggs in the microwave in under 2 minutes. It's a game changer. Grab a microwave-safe mug, crack in 2 eggs, add a splash of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk it all together with a fork right in the mug. You can also toss in some chopped chives, a little bit of cheese, or some pre-cooked spinach. Now, pop it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Take it out, give it a stir, and then pop it back in for another 30 to 45 seconds, or until the eggs are cooked to your liking. And there you have it, a hot, protein-packed breakfast with minimal cleanup. It's perfect for getting that satisfying savory fix without dirtying a pan. Moving on to idea number 4. Something incredibly simple, but oh so good. Greek yogurt parfait. This is all about layering goodness. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, which will keep you feeling full all morning. In a glass or a jar, start with a layer of plain or vanilla Greek yogurt. Then, add a layer of your favorite fruit. Berries are a great low-sugar option. Next, add a layer of something crunchy. This could be a low-sugar granola, some crushed nuts, or even just some toasted oats. Repeat the layers until your glass is full, ending with a final sprinkle of crunch on top. It's visually appealing, texturally satisfying, and you can prep a few of these in jars at the beginning of the week. Just grab one from the fridge in the morning, and you're good to go. It's a balanced meal of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. For our 5th breakfast, let's talk about Power Up Protein Bites. These are the ultimate grab-and-go option. It's perfect for those mornings when you literally have 30 seconds to get out the door. Plus, they require no baking. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of your favorite nut butter, a third of a cup of honey or maple syrup, and half a cup of add-ins. I love using ground flaxseed and mini chocolate chips. But you could use shredded coconut, dried cranberries, or chopped nuts. Mix everything together until it's well combined. The mixture will be sticky. Then, simply roll it into little 1-inch balls. Place them on a tray lined with parchment paper and let them set in the fridge for about 30 minutes. You can store these in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. Just grab 2 or 3 in the morning for a quick, energizing, and delicious bite. Breakfast number 6 is a modern classic with a healthy twist. Avocado toast with a twist. I know avocado toast is nothing new, but hear me out. It's popular for a reason. It's fast, filling, and full of healthy fats. To make it a truly complete and speedy breakfast, toast a slice of whole grain or sourdough bread. While it's toasting, mash half an avocado in a small bowl with a squeeze of lime or lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Spread the mashed avocado on your warm toast. Now for the twist that adds protein and makes it even more satisfying. Top it with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning or some crumbled feta cheese. It adds so much flavor and takes no extra time. This breakfast provides healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbs to keep you fueled and focused. And finally, our 7th and last quick breakfast idea is cottage cheese bowls. Cottage cheese has made a huge comeback, and for good reason. It is loaded with protein, which is fantastic for satiety and muscle health. Think of it as a blank canvas, just like yogurt. Take a scoop of cottage cheese and put it in a bowl. Now you can go sweet or savory. For a sweet version, top it with some sliced peaches, a drizzle of honey, and some slivered almonds. It's creamy, sweet, and crunchy. For a savory option, which is my personal favorite, top it with some sliced cherry tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, fresh basil, and a sprinkle of black pepper. It's surprisingly delicious and feels like you're having a fancy caprese salad for breakfast. Either way, it's a high-protein, low-carb option that takes literally 1 minute to assemble. So there you have it, 7 delicious, healthy, and incredibly fast breakfast ideas to rescue your mornings. From creamy overnight oats and vibrant smoothie bowls to savory egg mugs and protein-packed cottage cheese. There's truly something for everyone. The key is a little bit of planning, whether it's prepping the night before or just having the right ingredients on hand. Breakfast doesn't have to be a source of stress. It should be a moment of nourishment that sets you up for a positive and productive day. I challenge you to try at least one of these this week and see how it transforms your morning routine. Let me know in the comments below which one you're most excited to try, or if you have any other speedy breakfast hacks to share with our community. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos to make your life healthier and happier. Have a fantastic week, start your days strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.